I'm Kristen of Rare Bird Brides. I do bridal hair and airbrush makeup. One of the reasons I love bridal hair and makeup is that you can be really creative and kind of more artistic than working in a salon and doing highlights and just trims on a regular basis. So it just allows me to be really creative. Everything about art is just my passion. I do a little bit of painting, dabble in fashion, just anything creative I love. I take my inspiration, from anything, different countries. Right now I'm really inspired by the country of India, like different wedding practices, different cultures. It's fun to experiment.